ఓం శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. హరి ఓం. Mahapratyangara Devi is also referred to as Adharvana Bhadrakali. She is a protective deity, especially to those bhaktas, devotees who are practicing the Sri Vidya mantras as Japam and Parayanam and performing pujas. Pratyangara is a protective deity. She is raw power. When she is called upon to help a devotee, she will appear, and she does not distinguish between good people and bad people. If you ask her for help, she will give it to you. Whatever karmic consequences one accrues for asking her help, one has to bear. So the easiest way to ask her for help is to say, Mother, protect me. What she does to protect you is her business. Pratyangara, Mahapratyangara homams have been carried out in the temple. On the first week after the Tamil New Year is born, on the first Sunday, we have performed Mahapratyangara homams in a very elaborate manner. This Mahapratyangara Devi, like I told you, is a protectress. She will protect you from all dangers, abhicharam, priyogam, grihadosham, etc., etc. She always appears in the company of her mate, of her consort, Sarabeshwara. Sarabeshwara is an aspect of Parameshwara who had to be produced so that destruction of several demons could be accomplished. Sarveshwara appeared out of the right shoulder of Parameshwara, and from his left shoulder appeared Pratyangara Devi. The force with which both of them were created could not be discounted. At the time of the demon Hiranyakashipu's demise, at the hands of Narahari, which happens to be an avatar or an emanation of Sri Mahavishnu, who came as half lion and half man. After he accomplishes his task of vanquishing Hiranyakashipu, since the conditions of the boon had to be fulfilled, Narahari ingests, drinks the blood of Hiranyakashipu without letting a drop spill on the ground. And the Rajoguna enters him, and he becomes uncontrollable. The Devas are terrified. They cannot go anywhere near him. They send Prahalada, and when Prahalada is there, he is calm, but when he leaves, he becomes agitated again. So they go to Parameshwara and pray to him, and Parameshwara looks at Veerabhadra, who is his son, and Veerabhadra is sent to subdue Narasimham, and he is unable to do so. And he thinks of the Lord at a point when he was about to be vanquished. And from the Lord, an immense light emanates and enters Veerabhadra, and he changes into Sarabeshwara, a half lion, half bird, with 8 legs and a pair of wings. And Sarabeshwara takes a hold of Narasimha, and as he holds him, the sparsham, the touch, transforms Narasimha, who comes to his normal self in that instance. And there is a beautiful stotra sung by Narasimha. Sarabeshwara and Pratyangara are a unit. They appear together, and their mantras have to be chanted with great care. In this CD, I have given Mahapratyangara mantra, which has Pratyangara in the first part In the second part, there is Vanadurga. Both of these together form the Mahapratyangara mantra. Thank you. Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.